Good morning. We are still in Hanoi. We're gonna check into our Airbnb. This is the apartment block. Massive. Now let's look for the landlord so he can give us our keys. With the landlord. Okay, so we met the landlord. Let's see the apartment. Lift. More. Okay. Yay! Shoes. Oh. Looks very clean and modern. Oh yeah, this is a view.
You can get your shopping.
Shopping.
Yeah. This one is a little bit cheaper than the one with the best.
Okay. So
if you want to buy a big one,
big shopping one.
Yeah. You want to see this one.
Okay, thank you. Okay. Let's put our bags here. Nice sofa. L shape. TV to watch Benfica. Yes. Huh? My office. This is where I'm going to do all the editing now. We are here for nearly 2 weeks, so a lot of videos are gonna come up. This is the kitchen. Fridge. Got the fridge. What's this? Washing machine. So this is gonna be Christiana's and Sandra's place. I don't know how to cook. See the toilet. It's wet. What's up? Toilet, shower, and the other bedroom. En suite. And the bed. Really good, really nice. And if you wonder how much we pay, I'll put the prices over here.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. You got a really nice apartment.
I leave here 2 keys.
2 keys, yep.
Okay, good to know.
Perfect.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Christian is really fascinated about the views. And what a view. That's it now. We've got our apartment. First thing now, I'm gonna make myself a coffee. So we're going to the market, buy some food down there. Quick stop, very convenient. Here we go, shopping.
Let's go.
Yep. Shopping bag. Close the door. Here we go. Bang. What's the other way? No, this way. Gonna take some cereal. Which one do you want? What's that? Cocoa Crunch. Hanoi this. You're gonna take a jacket? We're about to enter the meat section.
No, I'm gonna take it.
Oh, it's really cold. It's cold. Ooh, but bloody freezing. Got the whole meat. We just returned to our apartments. Christian and Sandra are doing lunch. Some chicken. What else?
Potatoes. Surprise.
Okay, that's what we got. Okay, we got salads,
Only oil. I don't like oil.
chicken, and some potatoes and veggies. This was a small tour of our apartment in Hanoi. It was actually cheaper to rent out a whole apartment for the 4 of us than staying in a hotel, which comes in really handy if you want just to chill out for a few days, feel a bit more comfortable. And it's great. If you want to use Airbnb, you've got the affiliation link in the description below, which you get £25 off your first booking, and we get £15 on our next one, so it's a win-win situation. And we'll finish the video over here. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Goodbye.